Hello P3 Volvo owners and enthusiasts. It is now 8:30 on a Monday night. And of course I'll be scheduling the video for later. However, I did want to show off the cluster this time. So the button here that says, here, let me turn the light on for you. The button here that says red or read, if you push that, if you say have your rear seat belt buckled or unbuckled, it'll say whether it's used or not. If you have a check engine light, it'll say whatever maintenance due, something like that. And turn signals, brights, and then you get your scroll wheel for your information here on your tachometer. So looking at that, you can scroll through your average speed, whether your lane departure warning's on, driver standby alert, your mile an hour, nothing, your fuel range, your average, but I like to set it to the instantaneous so that I know how much I'm using at any given time. And then that's pretty much it for the cluster. And you get all your warning lights up and down the sides here. Let's hit the parking brake. It's there. And then shutting it off, they'll disappear. It's getting out. Let's see if we put the key in, if it'll say it. Nope, just beeps. I forgot. And then, if we go set the key outside, so I'm just going to put it over here. We get back in. Try pushing it. Key fob not found. And then, so that's basically the cluster in a nutshell. That's really all I could figure out it does display. But if anybody knows how I can get a temperature gauge on it, please let me know, because I haven't been able to figure it out. Anyway, thank you guys and have a good night.